Okay, hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to straighten up a pano that is kind of crooked with puppet warp. This can also be done in lens correction in Photoshop, but sometimes I find that it just doesn't pick up on the particular lens. This is a pano that I did of Strawberry Hill from a DJI Phantom 3 professional drone. If you notice, it's not straight, the horizon, and even if it was curved like this, it just doesn't look quite right. I would want to straighten it out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go to edit in and take this into, well, I don't want to go there. I'm going to go edit in to Photoshop and bring this photo into Photoshop. It's a large photo. It's going to take it just a second to open up. Okay, and I'm going to fill the screen by hitting Control 0 so I can see it a little bit better. With Puppet Warp, first thing I do is hit Control J to create another layer. So this creates your second layer, a duplicate layer over here in your layers. Then go up to Edit and Puppet Warp. When you click on Puppet Warp, it's going to put this crazy looking mesh on here, which can be used by somebody that knows it better than I do. So I don't know how to use this. I'm not even really sure what it's for. It's a mesh that's part of the system. I don't know if it's really needed. You can hide that mesh by going to View and click on Extras. It gets rid of that mesh. We're still in Puppet Warp. Now what you can do is click at points, and I usually start on the end and I'll click a point. It puts a point right here, a pin. That's a pivot pin for Puppet Warp. You can do as many as you want, but I try to do them across a line and kind of in maybe 3 or 4 places to where these are going to be the points that your warp is going to center around. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now that I put up these pins, I can grab one of these pins and pull down a little bit. I can see over here I want to level this up so I can pull it down just a little bit. And what I'm trying to do is level this up. You can go way too far. You know, you want to keep it. I might want to go up just a little bit where the mountains are here, and maybe on this end it's a little bit up. I still think over here it needs to go. You can even put another pin in, then grab that pin and pull down just a little bit. The basic idea is trying to level up. You could also go into your rulers if you want to, and actually I hid the rulers, so I want to open it back up, and you could come up here and grab and draw a line down so that you have something right here to look at. You can also change the color of your rulers in the settings. But anyway, what I've done is basically straightened it out using Puppet Warp. Now if you go back and turn the eye drop right over here, the eye off, you can, well, first you have to hit enter. We're going to hit enter for the Puppet Warp to take effect. If you go over here and turn this layer off, you can see how much now I've moved this photo. And I've straightened it out to kind of to what the eye can see. It's not perfect, but straightened out. And you can retain this layer. Normally when I'm done with it, I'm finished, so I'm going to flatten my layer. And then I'm going to come up and hit File, Save. And that's going to take this file back into Lightroom, so we can go ahead and click off of this and go back to Lightroom. And here's our finished product again, with the straightened horizon. So you can do this with buildings, and anywhere you have a wide pano where you have some curvature, this can be used. And that's the end of that tutorial. Thank you.